So today I'm going to show you how to see TikTok analytics. So let's get started. You open your TikTok and now what you need to do is let's wait for it. So guys, wait as I'm waiting. Okay guys, so sorry for that. And now what you need to do is come to this approval menu button here. And I will type on this your post. Let's see if we're gonna see the analytics here. You can see you're supposed to see analytics here, but there's no analytics. What you need to do is you have to go back and come to your profile and click on those three line dots, then click on settings and privacy. Now we need to turn our account to personal. Okay, we're in a security account over there, you know, our personal account. So we need to do we need to see our, let me click on it. We need to see more about this. So what's with nothing more about this? I think this is because I have not reached my privacy setting. Let's see. Oh, okay guys, so what I need to do is you need to, now you can see the reason why this is the, I do not have much thing. There's no like, there's no more anything you can see on this video. So you'll be able to see the analytics of your video if you have more content and you have more followers on it. Recently this my account is not functioning very well, so I'm limited to sell to some options. But in your case, if you do not find it there, that means you need to go to your profile and check if you're on the business manager, your business. So just click on the straight line dot and click on settings and privacy. Then you click on your account. Then here you are gonna switch to your personal. You can say switch to personal account. I'm on business account. It's just that my followers are too small for me to use the effect on your business account. But it's a fully bag arrest. Trust me guys. Once you just switch it here, you're going to get your analytics. So guys, if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.